If you've been searching for Vuopox, Turgamb, or Kavowex, you've probably seen big promises, low prices, huge discounts, and products that almost seem too good to pass up. But are these websites actually legit, or should you stay away? Here's an honest look. The first thing I noticed was how little information is available about these stores. That's not always a red flag by itself. New websites appear every day. But when several stores have very limited history and almost no established reputation, it's worth being careful. Another thing to check is contact information. Trustworthy online stores usually provide clear business details, customer support options, and return policies. If a website hides important information or makes it difficult to contact the seller, that's never a good sign. Customer reviews also matter. Before buying anything, search for reviews on independent websites, not just testimonials posted on the store itself. If you can't find real customer experiences, or you only see complaints about shipping, refunds, or missing orders, think twice before placing an order. Pricing is another clue. If Vuopox, Turgamb, or Kavowex are selling expensive products at unbelievably low prices, ask yourself why. Massive discounts can sometimes be real, but scammers also use bargain prices to attract buyers quickly. Website security is important too. A secure connection helps protect your information, but it doesn't automatically mean the business is trustworthy. Many scam websites also use secure certificates, so don't rely on that alone. Based on everything I found, I wouldn't rush into buying from Vuopox, Turgamb, or Kavowex without doing extra research first. There simply isn't enough reliable information to fully trust these stores. That doesn't automatically prove they're scams, but it does mean you should be cautious. If you decide to place an order, use a payment method that offers buyer protection, such as a credit card or a trusted payment service. Avoid direct bank transfers or payment methods that offer little chance of getting your money back.